here we are again. I have the Originality straight pipe on here without the catalyst. We're going to do the same sound comparison as I've done before. Hopefully I can try to replicate everything. The temperatures are basically the same. Let's start at 5 feet again. There's the car over there. It's a cold start, 5 foot, and sound meter right here. I'm going to put you guys right next to it. That's what it sounds like. It's a few decibels louder. Now I'm going to do the revs up just like before with an overlay, and I'll do the drive-bys. Here it is at warm idle. It's pretty quiet. I'm going to do the revs now. Straight pipe. Let's try to replicate what I've done before. Let's do it. Here we are again with the windows closed inside with the sound meter. We're gonna go about 2,000–3,000 RPM, just kind of like cruising around slow speeds, and then I'll just ramp it up and I'll indicate what RPMs I'm at. that's it. Time to go home. Definitely louder. It's not too bad. It's a comfortable loud, and it definitely has a lot more pull than it did before. And you can see that it seems like it revs up real quick, a lot faster than it used to. At least when you're in the power band. Just try to build boost in like a high gear though. You can definitely feel that thrust. Makes a lot more noises, turbo noises. Listen to that stuff. Mazdaspeed Suzukisport exhaust. The boominess is still different than stock. This is definitely louder than with the catalytic converter. It's so now it's like borderline intolerable, but stock it was definitely intolerable. Here it is again, 4,000 RPM. Right there. So it seems like it has actually moved. The droning is at 3,500 RPM now exactly, but it's not anywhere else. So I guess that's still an improvement, at least for noise. I don't know. So this video now basically concludes the whole sound testing stuff until I get like a different exhaust or something. I don't foresee me doing that anytime soon. It'll actually be a pretty good comparison when I actually get my floor repaired, and then I'll get like everything dynamatted, especially back there behind my head. It might help with this noise, you know, and then maybe I won't need to get a new exhaust. I'm pretty happy with what I have. Of course, at some point I might get a little bit itchy and decide, hey, I want a better exhaust, a better looking one, or something like that, and then I'll splurge on that. But at that point, I'll just compare it from this to just like this. This is it for the Originality straight pipe sound video. It is definitely a bunch louder than stock and is definitely a little bit louder than the Catalyst version. If you want your own Originality pipe, you can also order it at anythingwheel.com and my goodies page. And remember to subscribe for more and like the video. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I'll see you next time.